Jupiter, the mighty gas giant, looms like a colossal sentinel in the outer regions of our solar system, its sheer scale and dynamic presence making it one of the most mesmerizing objects ever observed by humanity. Roughly 8,000 times larger than Earth, yet spinning at a breathtaking pace with a full rotation completed in just about 10 hours, this enormous world defies intuition at every level. Its atmosphere is a turbulent ocean of hydrogen and helium, shaped by violent winds, crushing pressures, and ferocious Coriolis forces that generate storms far beyond anything found on our planet. When Neil deGrasse Tyson speaks about Jupiter, he does so with a rare blend of scientific clarity and awe, transforming what might seem like a distant, abstract world into something deeply connected to our own existence. His insights revealed Jupiter not just as a planet, but as a fundamental architect of the solar system itself, silently influencing the fate of worlds through its immense gravitational reach. Jupiter's scale alone is almost incomprehensible. More than 1,300 Earths could fit inside its vast volume, yet it is still mostly composed of gas, with no obvious solid surface to stand upon. Despite this, it holds more than twice the mass of all other planets in the solar system combined, making it the dominant gravitational force after the Sun. Tyson often emphasizes that Jupiter acts like a cosmic gatekeeper, reshaping the trajectory of comets, asteroids, and icy debris that wander inward from the outer solar system. In many cases, this protective role has likely shielded Earth from catastrophic impacts. Yet the relationship is not purely protective. Jupiter's gravity can also redirect celestial objects, slingshotting them into the inner solar system where they may eventually intersect with Earth's orbit. This dual nature, both guardian and potential disruptor, makes Jupiter a paradoxical force, one that simultaneously preserves and threatens the delicate balance of life in our region of space. The planet's atmosphere is perhaps its most iconic and visually striking feature. The Great Red Spot, a colossal storm larger than Earth itself, has raged for centuries, though it is only one of countless dynamic systems swirling across Jupiter's cloud tops. Jet streams race around the planet at speeds exceeding 400 miles per hour, forming alternating bands of light and dark that wrap around the globe like a complex, ever-shifting tapestry. Despite decades of observation, the underlying mechanisms driving these atmospheric patterns remain only partially understood. Recent discoveries suggest that Jupiter may not be a simple gas envelope as once thought. Instead, it may possess a dense, exotic interior where hydrogen behaves in strange metallic states under extreme pressure. Deep within, a potential core, rocky, metallic, or something even more unusual, may exist, but its true nature remains hidden beneath thousands of kilometers of crushing atmosphere. For Tyson and many planetary scientists, this unknown interior represents one of the most important keys to understanding how gas giants form and evolve across the universe. Beyond its atmosphere, Jupiter's invisible but immensely powerful magnetic field adds another layer of complexity. It is the strongest planetary magnetic field in the solar system, generating a vast magnetosphere that stretches millions of kilometers into space. This magnetic environment traps charged particles, creating intense radiation belts that would be lethal to most spacecraft and electronic systems. Scientists believe this magnetic field is generated by the movement of metallic hydrogen deep within Jupiter's interior, a state of matter that only exists under unimaginable pressure and temperature conditions. Studying this exotic material could reshape our understanding of physics and materials science. Jupiter's magnetic influence also extends beyond itself, interacting with its moons and even shaping their environments in unexpected ways. Unlike Earth's relatively simple magnetic interactions with the solar wind, Jupiter's system is a complex, interconnected web of energy exchanges between planet and satellites, making it a natural laboratory for studying cosmic magnetism on a grand scale. Perhaps the most intriguing aspect of Jupiter, however, lies in its diverse collection of moons, each one a world of its own. With dozens of known satellites, the Jovian system resembles a miniature solar system. Europa, for instance, is covered in a thick shell of ice beneath which scientists believe a vast ocean of liquid water may exist. This hidden ocean makes Europa one of the most promising candidates in the search for extraterrestrial life, as it contains one of the essential ingredients for biology as we know it. Io, on the other hand, is the most volcanically active body in the solar system, constantly reshaped by the intense tidal forces exerted by Jupiter's gravity. Its surface is a dynamic landscape of eruptions and lava flows, offering a glimpse into geological processes unlike anything on Earth. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, is even more extraordinary. It possesses its own magnetic field and is also believed to harbor a subsurface ocean. Together, these moons transform Jupiter from a single planetary body into a complex system of potentially habitable environments, each with its own story to tell about the possibilities of life beyond Earth. In recent years, spacecraft like Juno have deepened our understanding of Jupiter in ways previously unimaginable. Juno's close observations have revealed that Jupiter's atmosphere extends far deeper than once believed, blending gradually into its interior without a clear boundary. This challenges long-standing models of planetary structure and forces scientists to rethink how gas giants are formed. The spacecraft has also captured astonishing images of Jupiter's polar regions, where massive cyclones form geometric patterns that appear almost deliberately arranged. Even Jupiter's auroras defy expectations, shaped not only by solar wind but also by particles emitted from its own moons, creating a complex interplay between planetary magnetism and satellite activity. These discoveries continue to reveal Jupiter as a dynamic and evolving system, far more intricate than earlier models suggested. Ultimately, Jupiter serves as both a time capsule and a teacher. Its atmosphere preserves clues from the earliest days of the solar system, offering a glimpse into the primordial cloud of gas and dust from which the Sun and planets formed over 4.5 billion years ago. Elements such as ammonia, water vapor, and complex compounds found within its clouds provide vital information about the chemical conditions that existed during planetary formation. Tyson often describes Jupiter as a bridge between the small rocky worlds like Earth and the massive stellar bodies that dominate the universe. Though it lacks the mass to ignite nuclear fusion and become a star, its composition and structure echo processes found on a much grander cosmic scale. Studying Jupiter is therefore not simply about understanding a single planet. It is about decoding the blueprint of planetary systems throughout the galaxy. As exploration continues, Jupiter remains a profound reminder that even in our own cosmic backyard, there are worlds of staggering complexity waiting to be understood, each one pushing the boundaries of human imagination and scientific discovery.